Hey everybody, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Taylor from Taylor's Muse. I promise I'll show my face once I get this channel together, but this is my first video, just showing a little bit of my creativity and what I'm going to be bringing to the table. Here I'm making a newborn shirt that says "Better Not Pout," and it's so super cute, so festive for the holidays. So I encourage you to give it a try. It's such an easy project. So without further ado, let's get into the project. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put in a screen record of me showing you how to make the SVG of the Better Not Pout in Canva. Okay, so here I am in Canva, and here's my Better Not Pout SVG. I've made it in the Anton font at 188 size. And so here I'm just going to download it. I'm going to save it. So now that is downloaded and it's right here, we're going to go to our Cricut design space. And you see it's uploaded right here already, but I'm going to show you guys how to upload it again. So you'll go to new project. You'll go to upload. And you'll go to upload image here. And you'll drag and drop your file right here. However, I already have mine here because, I was showing you guys. I came prepared. So here's my SVG. You want to make sure that the background is transparent, and I'm going to resize it because it is going on a baby t-shirt. So you want to make sure that your project fits on whatever you're putting it on. So if you need to measure, bust out the measuring tape, please do so. And now I'm going to make it. It's going to pull up on the mats. And then you just go ahead and readjust it so that it's not cutting out in the red corners. Since it is going on a t-shirt or the image is being flipped, meaning it's an iron-on, you want to make sure that you mirror the image. So go ahead and mirror it so that you're not reading your words backwards when you put on your shirt. And then you're going to go ahead and continue and allow Cricut to do its job. Y'all, here is one piece of advice. Make sure that y'all read Cricut's instructions because she will tell you what to do, okay? Like, really. Look, it says make sure mirror is turned on and iron-on material is face shiny side down. Note it, okay? Put that shiny side down. And then set your pressure to what you needed to, and make sure you put in your materials, your custom iron-on materials. Then allow Cricut to go ahead and cut. All right, so now we have all of our materials. They're cut and printed out. We want to make sure that we have everything together so we can just go ahead, smooth right through the project. Here I am straightening out the shirt, getting it all ironed up, lining up my image, making sure that it is going to fit. Now, precautions, y'all, don't want to waste materials. Now we're going to weed out our vinyl. This is going to go ahead and basically give us our cut. So we're going to pull that red paper back, that red sheet, and then it's going to reveal our design. We are then going to weed out our image. So the middle of the U, the middle of your O's, the middle of your R's, things of that nature. You want to make sure that you get those little pieces out so that you can read your words. Make sure that when you are finished weeding that you flip over your image just to check and make sure that everything is spelled correctly, that it looks right, and it's exactly how you want it. In a few seconds, you're going to see me go ahead and flip it over just to double check, read it the right way. Lining it up once more just to make sure. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that wax paper down and iron it. So yes, back to this press situation. Y'all, I don't want to pay for that press. I don't want to pay for it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and keep using this iron until the funds, But the iron it works, Iron it from the front, iron it from the back, give it a couple presses, and then you should be good to go. It should be able to iron it on up. So after you have ironed your image on and you feel like it's nice and good, you can test by pulling up the clear sheet that was on the vinyl in the beginning. You just pull that clear sheet back, and then it should start revealing your image, and your image should stick onto whatever you ironed it onto. So if it is coming back up on the clear sheet, make sure that you don't force it. You want to just go ahead and put that wax paper back down and go ahead and iron it on again. When you have a press, you probably won't have to do this as much because your press gets hot for your materials. However, for right now, again, y'all, it's going to do me justice, okay? All right, so now the clear paper is off. I'm going to go ahead and secure my image. Just iron over it once more with some more wax paper on the front and the back. And then, boom. We have our image. We have our design. It says better not pout once more. Little baby shirt, but so cute, so simple. And I'm just so excited for my niece to get to wear it around Christmas. I hope that you love this video. Give it a comment below, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm telling you, y'all, 2022, I'm coming strong. Okay, so I'm glad to see you here. I hope to see you some more. And happy holidays, y'all. Bye.